Obligado na. Nilaro na naman. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Shi. Sino na yung ano natin? Sino na yung last? Last jumper.
Alright, for our next jumper, this is actually a duet. Yes, a duet song coming from Lily and Lai Marie. Nasa na si Lai Marie? Let's go. A duet, guys, by Lily and Lai Marie. Alright, nasa na? Let's go, guys. Wow. A duet. So, matter of our principal sponsors, we'll be giving a very special gift coming from our couple services and our coordinators from Personal Touch Events Management. Hi, girls. Wow. Hello. Once you ready with Lily and Lai Marie.
Eh, sir, wala naalala ko. Dito yung mga plastic kanina.
Honest na, ladies, on stage. So, ano ba kakatayin niyo for us tonight? Love on top. Okay.
Mukhang mga singers talaga to.
Okay, para mga performers talaga yung nagdala ito.
Last ko na to, ha.
Hi, girls. Ayun ganda ng mga outfits ninyo. Ha? Yung mababa, okay, alone. Totoo na ba ito talaga? Ano ba ito ka? Akala ko prank lang. Totoo pala.
Totoo.
Ay, nag-practice pa itong dalawang ito. Ay, wow. Thank you, girls. Sino si Lily? Who's Lily, girls? Lily! Lily and Lai Marie. Okay, girls, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, our third contender from Mindanao, Lily and Lai Marie.
Sabayan niyo kami, Araneta. Joke ulit. Bakit may ikaw? Ang sarap, ang sarap, ang sarap.
Wow!
Diyos ko!
That was the greatest rendition ng Love on Top na narinig ko
Oh
sa
my
buong
God.
buhay ko.
Grabe!
The best of the best. Thank you so much, Lilian Library.
Sir Ola, sabi ko pa kanina parang mga singer to ah.
Oo, napakagaling nila in fairness.
Guys, may nawawala dito.
Pasensya na po nabasa yung ating mga baso ngayong gabi ito.
And of course, thank you so much para sa mag-share ng inyong talent.
Okay naman. Thank you so much for giving your best tonight. And susunod na natin ng ating jammer. Let's have Chubby! Chubby, let's go! Nasaan na ba si Chubby? Our next jammer is si Chubby. Chubby! Nasaan na ba si Chubby? Sana!
Okay, Javi, tignan natin kung paano natalo yung mga kanina.
Ang hirap talaga ng laban.
Yes.
Asan Chubby? Tayo tayo. Guys, thank you so much, Sabuta. Good job. Are you ready, Chubby? Ate Jenny, si Chubby, si Chubby. Yes. Hi, Chubby. O, pati na, kain pa lang yun ng lechon. Chubby, ano nga tayo na yung song tonight?
Still loving you. Mga ganun.
Go any song.
Tao, bagay.
In fairness, sa akin yung ating mga singers tonight.
Yes,
Ay,
dalalas.
Lini Library last nyo na yun ha. Tigilan nyo na yung partida, di pa nakinom sa open bar yan. Good job ladies, thank you so much for great entertainment tonight.
Wait lang, Sir Ola, mga 10 minutes. Mag-uusap lang
Kapag
kami.
champion ng sobrang nakakatayin for us.